start today, I've just got to say a massive thank you to everybody that's watching the videos and everybody that's subscribed to the channel. The channel has now got 300 subscribers, which is a huge amount. I'm really chuffed. Thank you so much. I hope you're enjoying watching the videos as much as I enjoy making them. And talking of making them, this video should be a bit longer today because I'm going to try and get as much as I can packed into this one video so you have a lot more content to watch. Let's get going with it. Come on. Right, I'm going to try and remove this last subframe bolt which is still stuck in the Heelboard. You just saw me weld on a nut onto the threaded part of the bolt. Let's see if we can get it out. Come on. You can see how much WD-40 soaks into the threaded hole. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to tighten the bolt up and then I will try and release it. I've put too much weld onto the actual nut so I can't get a socket on there. What I'm going to try and use again is my trusty mole grips. The bolt is turning, which is a great sign. It's slowly coming out. Mole grips have done the job once again. It's time to get into the boot and do some more welding. This is the hole in the boot that the actual MOT failed on around 2 years ago. Here is a repair patch out of cardboard. I'm just going to transfer this to metal and then fill it in and try and get a nice seamless finish. Let's speed it up and see if we can turn this into a nice repair patch. Starting with a small piece of metal, I'm going to create the shape using my cardboard template. It's back and forth with the tin snips and angle grinder until the shape is a close fit. Then I can use the hammer to get the shape and the contour of the repair section using the boot floor. Once this is done, I just keep cutting away back and forth until I get a really snug fit. After taking my time with this repair section and getting the correct contour, it's come out great. It's all ready now to be welded in. What started out as another cardboard template is a finished repair section. I'll just show you that now.
You're still doing that boot? You've not finished it yet?
No, I haven't. Give us a chance. It's taken me ages. Some people. Let me show you the repair section.
A small skim of filler will blend this in nicely, and along the back edge where I've left some of the welds exposed, this will be covered with seam sealer. Even though this area is covered by the rear bumper, I'm getting rid of any loose surface rust. I'll treat the metal and then I'll give it a lick of paint when we get to this stage of the build.
Now before you think I'm doing a Luke Skywalker impression, I'm not. I've just been up A&E and 3 stitches later, my finger is in pretty bad shape. I caught it on the grinder, it kicked back on me, and yeah, here we are. Another setback. But while I was up there, I was telling the nurse about the channel and she said she might even subscribe. So every cloud. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. Tell your friends and family, anyone you see. Pocket Rocket Garage is a YouTube channel to watch. Now, what I can quickly do is show you some of the parts I put in the Deox Gel built hamper and see how they're getting on. As you've seen in previous videos, I tend to clean some of the small parts off camera. I've had some clips from the engine bay in the Deox Gel now for 2 days. Let's crack open the ice cream tub and see what they look like. I'm going to do the best I can, but I'll just point out I can't bend my finger. If you recognise these clips, they're from the MPI Airbox. And someone told me you can't buy them anymore, so I thought I'd give them a quick go at trying to get them looking nice. If you can buy them, someone just send me the link if you can in the comments.
Join me, Kevin. We can rule the galaxy.
No thanks. Is he having a laugh or what? I just want to say a big thank you for watching this week's video. I'm as disappointed as you are. I wanted to get a lot further. I just want to point out, be careful when doing this sort of thing at home. Please make sure you wear your safety equipment. I got away with this one today, only 3 stitches, but I just missed the tendon. And I know I keep asking, but if you can subscribe to the channel, it will really help with this project and any future projects I undertake. I'm off now to watch Star Wars, so I'll see you on the next one.